I can't help myself. I can't help you. Oh, balloon boy.
Oh no, I'm dead. Oh no, I'm dead. What the? Ah! Nope. Wrong way. Ow!
What the fuck?
I don't like how he's looking at us. Why are you looking at me so mean? Oh, we can't look away from him. Oh, he's one of those that fucking moves whenever you look away. Why you look so sad now, gang? What the fuck? What is good, you beautiful peeps and peepettes? Back here with another video. We ended up running some R.E.P.O last night. Had some crazy shit happen. Don't really know how to explain this video either. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see y'all in the next video. And yeah, enjoy.
Talking through the webcam.
Oh god, no, don't do that.
Yeah!
Oh god. Jesus fucking.
Oh wait. Dude, that'll sound crazy when we get the slow motion thing. You got to turn that on. It'll be extra deep.
I'll show you something.
The monster one?
Definitely not your PP.
My big ol' wiener.
Tickle me.
Don't.
Don't let him near the shit. Don't let him near the shit.
He's in the shit. He's in there with you.
He's in the motherfucking trenches, bruh. What is it
Oh,
doing?
he's.
What the? Hey, guy, what you doing? Oh shit!
Oh, damn. Stay the fuck away from me, home slice. I'm dead.
I'm dead.
Alex is fucking dead, dude.
Fuck away from me! Oh my god!
Ah! Oh, motherfucker! Leave me alone, Ducky! Help! No, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die! Fuck!
We're gonna die to the big fucker.
Oh.
Oh no, I heard the duck.
Run the fuck away!
Damn. Ouch.
Fucking bitch.
He knocked me the fuck out with it.
Jumped right at you. That's it.
Yo, I'm not gonna be able to
damn
get
it.
past big fuck over here. What the fuck is that sound?
Oh, the duck!
Ow, motherfucker, what the fuck?
Shit. Oh.
Brother, I'm
Tim's
dead.
dead.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Hey,
I'm at 6 HP.
What the fuck, man?
how's the afterlife?
I'm assuming Max dead too, because I don't see him anymore.
He's so
Alex.
lost.
He doesn't have any clue where he's at.
Alex? Oh, hey, bud. Hey. I said we just put everything in here and fucking go.
What the fuck?
Hey.
Alex, don't stand there.
Wait, what the fuck are you doing with it?
Run!
Ah!
There's a
Shut up.
button somewhere.
Pussy.
I think.
I could have sworn that there was supposed to be, for sure.
Grab the fucking money, bitch!
Well, I don't know how. We have 6,000. It has a little happy face.
Yeah, there's a fucking
shit,
quota.
we need 8K.
Yeah! Hurry!
There's a quota.
Hey, have you ever thought about licking my fucking taint? I'm not dead. You are, pussy.
Get back here, bitch! Don't you run from me!
Ooh. Yeah, Daddy.
What the fuck?
Hello.
It's 7K now.
I got another $1,100 item.
Hurry!
Well, we're still not gonna be enough.
I went EP.
Okay.
I went EP.
I think I fixed my mic. Yeah, I did too.
We're less than $100
Broke,
short.
dude.
I'm at 6 HP. I'm not going anywhere.
I'm awake, bitch!
Who am I teabagging? I can't tell.
Get off my forehead.
Get off! Get your nuts off my face, bitch!
Yeah, that's Mac. You
Taste them. Taste them.
I'm a survivor. Now we're going here, right?
Yeah, we go in here. Oh, it healed me a little bit. I'm up to 56.
I can steal HP off somebody right now. I ain't gonna tell you how to do it either.
You fuck them in the ass.
No, I don't.
Yeah, I know how to play the game. Kinda. Partially.
You stick your clanker dick in it.
Oh.
Oh,
No.
motherfucker!
I can't do shit.
I'm getting this. I want a stamina upgrade.
Ah!
God, it's bright.
I
Blinded by the
wouldn't
light.
stand there.
We're not like a deuce in the middle of the night.
Why am I 1 HP?
I killed your ass.
God damn it, dude.
What? I can't even move anywhere this game.
There's HP right here. But I don't wanna.
Wait,
Somebody else take it.
My fucking stamina upgrade didn't get bought or anything?
That's right here. Oh, never mind.
No, it's not.
It's right here. Never mind.
Where?
I lied.
No, it's not.
Oh, you gotta stand in it. Crouch, I think.
Are you fucking me?
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Boom, 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 boom. Ouch! Hey! Oh,
Give me your
someone's giving me. No, fuck you. I think it's this one. No. One of these rooms, it's like a warehouse, and you can get up on top of the boxes and hide from them.
Hey, I put $3,300 worth of shit in here.
Me too. Where
Don't
did it all
say
go?
Me too.
Wait, where did
Why
it
are,
all
you
go?
why are you taking it in here, not on the fucking thing?
Because there's bigger shit that we can throw in this. So we get this one knocked out.
What happened to the other phone? Oh, it's in here.
I tell man. I tell man. Oh, I tell man.
Yo.
Has got some
Hey,
issues.
we've met quota.
Tax return. An extra 2K. And
Yeah,
a bag. And a bag. And a bag.
Slash,
Yay.
slash, slash,
Yay. Look at his bag.
Fuck you.
Money bags. Money bags. Oh. Oh, we don't need it in there anymore, Trent. Trent. Oh, you put it in the cart. Oh.
Hey.
Ow! Fucker! No! Let me go!
Look what I
Let me
got.
go!
Look what I got.
Why are you picking up? Leave me
Help.
alone.
Look at
I'm just a little guy. Come on, man!
Oh.
What did I do?
Oh,
The
What
tricycle.
did I do?
Let's put him in his playpen.
I don't want to be in the playpen
Bella.
no more.
What the fuck?
Whoa, what the fuck is that thing?
I'm dead. No, I'm not. Don't.
Yo, is that
Don't.
jigsaw? What
He
the
just-
fuck was
dude,
He
that?
just gave up
Dude.
so quick.
Do not left click the bike. Whatever you do.
Brother, it wants to be played with.
Yeah, I can see. Ring ring.
How much to put the
No.
handlebar up my asshole?
Oh, what the? Ah! No! No! What the fuck?
Hey, didn't he tell you not to touch it?
I didn't.
There's got to be more shit. I want more shit. Oh, dude, bonfire tree.
Ooh.
Whatever here.
I don't want to play this game no more. Fuck off, Jigsaw.
Fuck off, Jigsaw. If only that were how that worked, huh?
Yeah, for real. God damn it. No.
The bike
There's a
really
big
wants your
with a cane
attention.
out here.
No!
Oh, I can hear the bike.
No! What the fuck?
Oh, you brought him to
No!
me.
No! Oh, I'm dead! Oh, I'm dead! Help! Help! I don't like this game. I don't like this game. Oh, it's chasing
You
me.
brought him to me, you piece of shit. Fuck off.
No.
Fuck
no.
off.
Fuck. Tell the bike to fuck off. Tell Jigsaw to fuck
No,
off.
you
What?
fuck off. It wants
I-
you.
I don't know
Why did I
why.
get hit? Why did I get hit? Because you wanted to be the child parent.
Oh no. It's coming back. Take him. Take him.
What the fuck just blew up to the right?
Yeah, bitch.
I told you there was a bitch with the cane over there. Pretty sure Alex just died to it. I'll go pick him up.
I feel like we're the only ones left. And I'm at 1 HP.
I'm at 76. Alex did die.
God damn it. And we're
Hey,
doing...
baby. Don't worry,
We
baby
don't-
girl. I got you.
Don't worry, Pookie.
We want to say just, fuck Trent.
Come on.
Help, you piece of shit.
$1,100
No.
calculator. Alex, I already got you. You calm down. Hey, I found a thing over here. Oh boy, it's heavy.
Wait, hold on.
Put the thing under it. Is it there?
Yep, down.
Perfect. There's another thing right here. $600 toad. It's one of them gay frogs. That shit is crushing you in the skull. Oh, it's a stapler. Have a stapler.
Get that
Hi.
stapler out of my face.
Alright, we need to find the...
No, I'm okay. I don't want the T-Rex. Leave me alone.
I'm just going this way.
Hey, don't leave me. Where are you going?
I'm trying to find extraction. God damn it. There's nothing this way.
There's
God
another
damn it.
door.
We have to turn around. I'm looking at the map.
It's right here, dummy.
Wait, the extraction?
Hey, straight forward. Look.
Oh damn, I'm fucking retarded. Wait, where's Trent? Is Trent in here?
No.
God damn it, we have to find
No,
Trent
Trent
before.
was far away.
Wait, he's still
I don't
alive
think
though?
Ran. No, he's dead.
I don't think we're getting
Mother-
Trenton, dude.
God damn it.
Hey, There's no point, because you'll die, and I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm definitely gonna die. Let's just
Fuck, we
go on out
going?
here. Oh, God damn it. What up, you fucking monkey?
Trey, if you can hear me, just talk.
You're a bitch.
Oh, there he is. Don't worry. Mwah! Now, Trent, what have we learned? Huh?
Do you need to put him in here?
He said, lick my sack.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bad boy,
Yeah.
bad boy.
He just wants to
All
give
right.
you a little head. I want to stand for this disrespect.
About time you let me out of this hellhole.
Smoking bodyguards got me tipsy.
Alright.
Yeah.
Follow!
I've been a real boy ever since I was born.
Dude, I am at
just
1
smack them.
HP now.
Same, twin.
Dick. Oh, no, that bitch is back.
Hey. I feel like they don't know how the fuck to open up the map. Oh, god damn it. I really don't want to fucking run back out here. Hello? I feel like that's bad. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it.
What a dick.
Where the fuck is Mac?
He might have.
Hey, I'm almost dead.
Hop in. I'll take us to safety.
What?
Fuck you.
Take me away.
I was running. Wrong room. Wrong room.
So anyway, I started running.
Good sleep. Back.
Were you out there just trying to find the point the whole time?
Oh, motherfucker. I'm... No, no, no! Why were you in the spawn, you stupid bitch? Just leave me alone! Woo! I gotta fucking play Ring Around the Rosie with this bitch? What the fuck? You've gotta fucking move. You gotta get tired sooner or later.
Fight.
Hide under the table. And then come pick me up.
Oh, and drop. No, I'm dead. Fuck!
That's
Bro,
how
that
I died
bitch-
too.
That bitch don't stop. God damn
I
it!
almost killed her with the fucking chainsaw, dude.
You know, you did a couple times. It just
I hit her
didn't
a
kill her.
bunch. I'm gonna fuck you, boys up.
Oh fuck! No! Ah!
Bitch, 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 bitch.
Ah!
You shooting at me with a gun?
Yeah.
Alright.
God
It'll
damn
be
it.
like that.
Damn!
How did 3 shotgun shots not kill this man? I hit you.
You are the
3
king of the
times
losers,
with a
king of the
shotgun, and you tell me
losers.
1 tap on the head with a hammer took me out.
I don't know if I like this one.
No, I didn't.
Why
I
you-
was 2 inches away from you.
Why is it so spooky?
Ew. Spoodermans are here.
Open that fucking door. Are we the same color?
I'm light green.
I
Are
think
you
I'm
both
orange.
orange? Alex is orange.
Fuck, I think he's red.
God damn it.
Put orange crayon because they taste the best.
Hey.
Hi.
Oh, fuck.
Somebody sneeze? What the fuck
No.
was
No. No one sneezed. What are you talking
that?
about?
Bless you.
Tanks. No, don't say uh-oh. Let's just hope Shotgun Man is not here.
Guys, I found more shit.
I did too.
Face down, ass up.
Try.
Have a sacrifice.
He says hi.
Motherfucker.
I'm at 10-8. At 10-0.
I'm at 3.
WTF.
Motherfucker! Why did he look straight at me? Oh, he's coming down.
Help me.
Shut the fuck up.
We can't help you! I can't help myself. I can't help you. Oh, balloon boy.
Oh no, I'm dead. Oh no, I'm dead. What the? Ah! Nope. Wrong way. Ow!
What the fuck?
I don't like how he's looking at us. Why are you looking at me so mean? Oh, we can't look away from him.
It knows.
Oh, he's one of those that fucking moves whenever you look away. Why you look so sad now, gang? What the fuck? That's not worth. Oh, mother! Fucker. Is everyone dead again? God. Oh God. I feel like Trent just died.
What'd you say about me, pussy?
No, nothing. I didn't say nothing. Oh, motherfucker. Help! Oh fuck! Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. I have no stamina. I have no stamina. None. None whatsoever. Oh, and the fucking child's running at me. Bitch.
Hi, Mac. How's it going?
Am I the only one alive?
Yeah, everybody else just died in
Come
that
here,
room.
bitch. Why the fuck you breathing like that, gang? Hold the fuck up. Hey. Leave me alone, you fat bitch. Do it!
Go, Mac. Grab his dick and twist it.
Ow! Oh my god! I'm dead. Oh damn!
Oh,
I tried.
Grab his stick and twist it.
You tried giving him a hug.
I did. It did not work.
Go to spectate you and you're just staring face to face with a small child.
Yeah, dude! That little fucker wouldn't leave. He didn't do shit though. He just fucking ran right past me like, like, god damn, my boy, why the fuck you fucking huffing like that? Maybe if you get off them motherfucking Newports, gang. 5 packs a day.
I was about to say, don't talk shit to Trent like that.
I like Newports. He was kind of built like me too. Just a little bit.
Just the fucking low person version. And here we go. Back to
Dude,
the
I'm
madness.
getting lightheaded.
Back
My
to the
contacts are so dry.
and straight
All
to
right.
her. All right, kids. Where are we going and shopping?
I'm dying.
Your mama's house.
Where we shopping?
Quit hitting me.
What? Wait, what?
Yeah, I'm staying
You're
away
not-
from.
Where'd
Staying
you
away
get your
from Mac.
driver's license? A Cracker Jack box?
Oh, it sounded like that.
You got in Ohio.
Hey.
What?
How did you do
Tackle
that?
me.
How'd you do that?
I don't want to tell you my secret,
Say my secret.
bitch.
I don't get it.
Got your ass. What you gonna do now?
I'm gonna come in your mouth.
I got you hanging like a chandelier, boy. What you gonna do?
I'm gonna come in your mouth.
All right.
Okay, what you do is you jump and press Q. You motherfucker, bro. He just threw himself.
All right. All right.
I need to start saving up my fucking stamina.
Yeah, you do.
Leave the
Bowling.
cart here. It's a 4-way intersection. Leave the cart here. Leave the cart. You motherfuckers!
I have a computer.
Leave the cart, bitch.
I didn't put it in there. Think.
Ow!
What the fuck just happened?
Come
Put his
on!
ass in a fucking trash can.
Hey,
No. I
No, that's
didn't
it.
like this whenever I was in school.
What'd you find?
that big ass thing. Oh hey, you guys want a uranium bowl?
Yeah, we need that.
Spark up with this motherfucker.
Oh, a gnome.
Motherfuckers.
We could smash this motherfucker, I think.
What the fuck? Ah,
We have to smash him. Yeah, smash that motherfucker.
I can't stop coughing. Ooh, what's in the fridge? My fat ass wants to look. Nothing.
Every cent counts. Every cent counts. You know what I'm saying, gang? Where the fuck everyone go? I didn't like that. Oh, it's this bitch. Oh, it's this bitch. Oh, it's this bitch. Mm-mm. 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 Nope. I'm gonna just stay here in my corner. I'm gonna just be Anne Frank. I'm just gonna sit in a little ball.
Violating him. There's tickle finger.
Wait, is everyone dead again?
Hello?
Where is that bitch?
Fuck you.
I see you.
I'm in here, Mac. We're both in here.
She's right around the corner. She's right there. I told you.
Fuck you, Mac.
I didn't lie.
You did not.
He's under the table, under the table, under the table. He's a...
Hey, fuck you.
She's still there.
Well, what do we do about that?
I don't know.
Oh!
Grab your shit.
Oh no.
Hey, she's still out there?
Yeah, she just walked back in towards where the fucking cart is.
How did Alex end up over there?
I threw him.
Jesus Christ.
Bitch.
Let's get you somewhere safe.
We can jump away, too.
Yeah, struggle. Good. Where's the cart?
I swear to God, if this bitch is around here.
He's close. Parkour!
Jeez. Yay! What a gamer move, guys.
Hey, there's a little guy following us. Or two.
Should we kill these motherfuckers?
Dumbass. Come here, pussy.
God damn, dude.
Oh,
No! Oh shit! Fuck!
The little bitch was coming, dude.
That bitch scared the fuck out of me. Alright, let's send her.
You're in timeout.
Oh, he just picked me up like a kid.
Where's... Did you... Who took the fucking crouch upgrade?
I didn't get an upgrade. Where'd that,
Mac, was it
that
you
help?
who stared up at me
Help.
directly afterwards?
What?
There's another health here. Who needs it?
Crack.
What are you talking
Should we
about?
save this?
Wait,
I have
Where's-
51.
Here, take this. This is 50.
Where's the fucking... Oh, wait. Maybe it won't pop
Build
up
the
until...
fuck out of you.
Level 2, Headman Major.
Dude, I want some head, man.
Same.
We didn't actually get the fucking finder.
No.
Yeah, we didn't get the fucking craft upgrade either because retard threw the finder in there.
Ouch.
I didn't do it.
Help! Help! I'm spinning like a ballerina! Fuck off! Telescope. Ow!
My bad, Chief. Oh, motherfucking jigsaw's back.
Oh, god damn it, no! I don't want to be the one.
I need help in the room.
Well, someone needs to distract fucking Jigsaw.
My contact's about to fall out of my eye. God.
Oh!
To the right, to the right, to the right. We're just gonna bring it back. Isn't it
Yeah,
to the
it's
right?
this way.
Oh, okay. Genius. Lift
What's
up.
going on? I was fixing my contact well.
It's too heavy.
Wait, take it off.
Pull that bitch in. Push that card in there. Yeah. Wait, we might have to lift it into the cart.
Nope.
I don't
No, it'll
trust
be
that.
fine.
God fucking damn it! God.
I know the 16K makes it easy though.
Fuck off, Jigsaw.
Ooh.
Oh.
It's back.
Oh.
Don't touch it.
I want to touch it.
Oh,
Don't
y'all
touch-
It's
Nemo,
kills.
don't touch the butt.
y'all don't even know what I'm fucking talking about.
touched the butt.
Matt, can you see me? What up, Chief?
Yeah.
Ain't nothing getting me.
Unless if the one that I'm thinking I just fucking heard, oh, he's gonna be able to get you all right.
The old dude with the shotgun?
Nope.
Please don't tell me it's fucking ball man again.
Nah.
That's all we're getting from this place.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
Don't go that way! Don't go that way! Don't go that way! Don't go that way!
Nope. Where's the truck at? I'm going back. Fuck this. I'm
Oh.
done.
Don't forget the money.
Nope, fuck the money. Don't care.
Oh, that's why they're running.
Why would you bring it back?
Fuck this. I'm hiding in my safety bucket.
Does the car come back to here? I don't fucking know.
Nope.
In the safety bucket. Get out of my safety bucket. This is my safety bucket.
I wish y'all would have just kept that cart there. If I gotta deal with the bike, y'all have to deal with the bike.
What she sees POV.
Jesus. No. Get.
No
Get
wonder they
Jigsaw,
don't like to
get.
give head. This angle sucks.
Hey guys, we got a visitor.
Huh?
Oh.
Look at when I'm looking down, dude.
Mother! Why me? Why me? What did I do? Help me destroy it! I'm dead.
It just walks away afterwards. That's a racially motivated crime. Brother strolled up, made a drive-by and left.
Dude got his head.
What you think about this, Mac?
game.
Oh, he's back.
I like how you just left Mac's head with him.
Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's definitely back.
Listen, if two of y'all pick it up and just start fucking slamming it, it'll kill it.
No, 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 no.
Dakota and Alex just need to pick up on
He is
it.
staring you fucking down, brother.
Can you go away?
I can't grab it.
Y'all just need to both fucking hop down, grab it at the same time, and just bang, bang, bang!
Hey, what do we do with the two of you dead? Can we just
Bring
leave?
you home, Bubba boy. Bring me all the way to the fucking thingy.
Just put him on here. Oh, fuck. You fucking
I'm dead. There's no way.
We gotta wait for it to leave, and then I'm closing the thing.
You can't close it
Alex, quit
because we
touching
gotta
it.
go to the next extraction.
We have to do what now?
Tell them we have to go to the next extraction.
I'm waiting for one of you to speak again before I go anywhere.
You gotta go to the next extraction. Hold tab and it'll show you the map.
Shut the door, shut the door, shut the door.
We were supposed to go to the next extraction.
Oh.
Yeah, we have to clear them all. You grab a head, I'll grab a head. I want Mac.
Why am I
Put
doing
both
this?
heads in the cart and walk
No,
it down.
Mac just looks more fun to cuddle.
You smell like dick cheese.
Fuck you.
Ah! Fucking crackhead bike.
Run it over with the cart! Run it over with the cart! Tell him full
I
sprint
don't know
at
if
it.
you heard Mac's opinion there. Hit it with your head.
Get out of here, Jigsaw! We don't like you!
Smack me with Mac.
I don't know if I'm going the right way, but we're fucking going.
You can push the cart through the doors.
Right or left?
Pull up the map and see which one has a better opening.
Left has more area to go.
The rooms that have the red question marks are the ones that aren't explored yet and possibly have something behind it.
It's just a dead end.
Yep,
That was
totally
her.
missed.
I got it. Don't worry.
The bike's back.
Jigsaw, can you fuck off?
Full sprint at it with the cart.
Did I kill it?
I'm okay.
I think.
Yeah,
I
you
think
killed
I killed
it.
Jigsaw.
You killed it. Never mind, I lied. You didn't.
What am I reversing into? Oh, exactly what we need. Sick.
Yeah! Let's go, baby! Imagine they didn't actually have your head the whole time.
I smell beef. I smell beef.
Alright, now if you hold tab, you'll see that it's telling you where to go with the dots.
Fuck you.
Ah. Hey, I made this with 90 HP, by the way. Hey. Hey, give me some.
Please. Give me
You know
some.
what? Yeah.
Come here, boy. Oh, there's another bicycle, bitch. I'm out.
Oh, this couldn't be going.
Why would you bring him over here?
You do it to me all the time.
Oh, it's here. Help me. The fuck is happening? Fuck you.
That scared the hell out of you.
Yes, I was standing in the corner for a reason. Ah, you're back. Fuck it.
Hey guys, how's it going?
I'm giving it to the bike. Oh, it ran me over.
You fucked us.
No, I didn't. Get up. I can't.
Fuck!
Join the club. Oh, everybody else died.
Triple kill.
God damn it. Jigsaw on a fucking roll tonight, I guess. Fuck.
The jigsaw fell out.
I want a different monster, bro. I want to play one more to get a different monster. We're getting the same one. It's the same game over and over and over. No.
Ah! I just walked right off the fucking map, dude.
Okay. Hey, chill for a second.
You shot me once in the crane-dolium.
Hey, man, that's cheating.
Look at him just run at him.
Dude, I don't even know what it was.
Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your loved ones, friends, hell, even your dog. Help me grow this channel so we can continue to do fun stuff on here. Also, comment down below what y'all want to see next so I can get it in the works. But with all of that being said and out of the way, hope y'all have a good day. And yeah,